Hey guys, it's Kay. I hope you're all well. Now I'm back with some quick fire tips to get you up and running faster, smoother, smarter with your Firestick TV. If you watch this video till the end, your Firestick's going to be firing on all cylinders. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, reviews and unboxings, I do everything including Firestick, Raspberry Pi and Android TV tips and tricks, so subscribe and hit the notification button. Now this first tip is super handy and I'm always using this one. All you need to do is press the microphone button on your remote and you'll come up with a new menu here. And what you get access to is the smart home, the weather app, and if you click on the smart home, you'll see you get a whole host of devices that you already own. So it starts with your smart home, you've got your cameras, so I've got front door, guardian camera, drive camera, you've got your favorites which you can add, and you can also see the details of these individual items. You can switch it off, change the color brightness, change the percentage of the brightness, just all from your Firestick, which is pretty amazing. Click O. And then if you go to the top again, you can see your groups that you've created. You can switch on a number of devices all at once, of course. Now if we go up to the top again, you can just narrow it down to just your lights. And as you can see, I've got quite a few lights. And of course, if you go to the top again, we've got plugs. Got a few plugs there as well. And of course you can see your cameras. Now you can individually see each of your cameras, your front door, your drive, and if you click on it, it will show you that camera. This next one is going to help you out if you're having any problems with your apps, if they're not working, they're laggy, or if they just don't work. All you need to do is go across the menu, go into your settings menu just like this, go into the cog, go down to applications, click on that, and then go down to manage installed apps. And look at the one that's giving you the problems, let's say it's Amazon Music in this case, and then click on the fast rewind button. And what it'll say, clear cache, and you just confirm. And that's it guys, that should hopefully work, and now your app will be working again without any buggy issues. Brilliant. Okay, so this next one is a quick menu you can access by pressing the home button on your remote control. So if you press it now, you'll see it'll come up, and you can access your profiles, your apps, sleep the device, you can start mirroring to the device, and you can access your settings. So if I quickly go to the first one, profiles, there you go, you can go straight into your profiles, you can add profiles, create profiles, or go into that profile in particular. And the next one is apps, you can quickly go to your apps, and there you go, we're straight into our apps. And if we click on the sleep, we can put the device to sleep. You click on the next one, it'll go into mirroring mode, and it'll give you instructions on how to access the device through your phone or tablet. And then you can go to your settings also. So it's a quick way to access all your menus. Okay, so this next tip is going to save you some time when you want to get to your favorite apps. It's going to give you quick access to your favorite apps. So you've got this menu bar over here which has got some apps on it. But did you know you can configure these apps to show your favorite apps? And all you have to do is go into the app section of the menu and go down to My Apps. And there you'll see all your apps. And all you have to do is long press on one of them. And then it'll say move app to your desired position and press select to save. So you can actually change what you see on that shortcut menu at the top on your home screen. So I'm going to put this Pluto app on the top here. And now if I go back to home screen, and you can see the Pluto is there and you can access it quickly there. How cool is that? So guys, there's been an update to the Fire TV settings. They've introduced a new feature that allows you to sort your install apps based on their recent usage. Now prior to this update, the app list was only sorted alphabetically, and later Amazon added the option to sort by app size. The new option provides an additional way to arrange your apps. You can access this feature by going into your settings, then applications, and finally manage install apps, and then head on over to sort and select it. And the new sort option will appear at the bottom. Just scroll down and select it. Now when sorting by recency, the list of apps will be displayed with the least used app appearing first. Now unfortunately there's no option to reverse the list to show the most frequently used app at the top. Now also each app on the list will display information about its recent usage below its name. This information can be never used, not used for more than 120 days, not used for a number of days, or simply today if the app was used in the past 24 hours. So this latest update, which allows sorting apps by recency along with the previous feature of sorting apps by size, is expected to aid in freeing up internal storage on the Firestick TVs. So most Fire TV devices only come with 8GB of internal storage, and after accounting for pre-installed apps, only about 5GB remains free. The new app sorting option makes it easier to identify which apps can be removed to free up storage without causing significant disruption to your device. Okay guys, as a bonus tip, you know that annoying sound you get when you're navigating around with your remote on the home screen? Well, you can actually turn that off if you just simply go into settings, go down to display and audio, and then just scroll down to audio, and there you go, audio. You can turn off the navigation sounds, turn them on or off. Pretty simple. Anyway guys, if you found this video helpful, please do give us a like and do consider subscribing for more great content and useful videos, and I might see you in the next one.